Hello, everyone. My name is Caitlin Sweeney. I go by Katie. I am from southern New Jersey, near Philadelphia. I have not had to consider the spirituality of a client based on the population that I work with. Having a good sense of spirituality can help with one's relationships with coworkers or clients. You see the good in others and are an understanding person. You learn that it's not your place to judge others. You look at the positive side of situations versus the negative. Spirituality can help with the problem solving and conflict resolution. You try to think about what can be done to help the situation rather than allowing it to become worse. I was raised under the formal religion of Catholicism. I stopped the formal church attendance, however, when I was in college. I have gone back occasionally. I believe that I am a spiritual person. I believe that as individuals, we should respect different religious and spiritual values. I enjoy lighting incense and using essential oil diffusers to clear the air. I also enjoy practicing yoga and meditation on a weekly basis. I enjoy decorating my bedroom and living environment with very spiritual things. I have a few plants. I have a couple spiritual tapestries. One tapestry I have shows the different moon phases, and I really enjoy looking at that. Thank you all. I look forward to working with everyone.